This is how to download and install WhatsApp on your Android phone. First, we are going to go to Play Store, and then we are going to hit the search button, and then we are going to search for WhatsApp Messenger. Then we are going to hit the install button to download it, and then we are just going to wait for it to download. If you have a strong network, this shouldn't take long at all. And now that it's done downloading, it is going to automatically begin to install. Again, it's not going to take long if you have a good network. Now that it's done installing, we can just open it directly from here, or we can just look for it on the desktop and just open it from there. So there you have it. This is Recommendally, your home for friendly guides. Thanks for watching.